Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today we will finally hit the 100k, hopefully. The market doesn't look very bad. It's kind of good for a very good trading session. And my first entry is based on common point of rejection. As you can see, we see some huge rejections from the previous candles. So we can expect still some rejections, especially. All right, so whenever we take a trade, we don't take the trade only based on one reason, okay? It should be proven to you by now that we need to have multiple reasons to take a trade. And the next reason for taking this trade is simply this supply area. Okay, so this is a supply area. This is how we mark it. Okay, let me just mark another supply for you. This is another supply. See how market reacted from it. This is another supply which is broken. This was also another supply which market reacted. So basically, this was a supply area and it was lining up with a common point of rejection. Okay, see it's reacting once again, but we only take the trade one time. All right, this is another demand area. See? Demand area, it reacted very well. So it's basically a combination of supply and demand, a common point of rejection. Okay, so all right, if you draw the common point of rejection, you will see this would be takeable, but there is no other reasons to take this. If you look at the past, there's no demand area. There's also no other setup to take this particular trade. Okay, so we don't take every single trade we see. We need to see if there's other reasons, other setups as well or not. And always we need to go with the trend. All right, this is a demand area. And also we have this supply area up here. So market will be moving between this supply and demand. My entry, let me just go to lower time frame. We can go to the lower time frame and detect our entries. Okay, I didn't see a lower time frame entry on this particular trade. Maybe this one would be a very good, but the market didn't come up. Totally fine. We still have opportunity on this particular pair because market will move like this. Selling opportunities up here and buying opportunities down here. So let's see how market will move on this pair. This is also a trend line. Market is moving between this price channel. Okay, so now it's just coming down. So we can look for entries down here. Would be nice. And then if it goes off, we can look for entries there. So I'll just wait for this. See, it just keeps reacting from it. Still no setup. As long as I'm not seeing any setup, I'll just keep waiting until it happens. Okay, I don't see any setup. There's no common point of rejection as well, unless I see the next candle opening, jumping down on this round number. It would be an entry for me. It seems that today's market also doesn't have enough, good opportunities for us. And we should be extremely careful because we're just going to hit 100k. And it's the first time. All right. There's a demand area down here. You see that? And we have a respected resistance, previously respected resistance. So I'm just going to go to lower time frame. Fastest I can. Okay, there's entry. I go. 2 trades here. and they will reject based on this demand area. Perhaps, maybe I could have better entries. But anyways, let's see. This is also a QM trend line, so this would be a very nice entry. The intersection of QM and trend line. All right, that was a losing trade. We're down again. That's crazy, isn't it? Like, I don't know what to say. Let's just move on. This is how, you know, that's why it's really important to really withdraw your profit when you just hit it. Just don't chase higher amounts every time you start to trade. And then you will chase money to hit your profit target, and then it will be worst every time. Okay, I want to take this with... Okay, I entered right here. I'm not taking multiple trades anymore. Yeah, I think this is a good support area, to be honest. There's a gap down as well. This was also a good supply area. Previously also reacted from supply, created another supply. All right, that was a winning trade. Let's just move on to the next pair. Okay, there was a nice little demand area down here, to be honest. If I was on the chart, I might... No, I wouldn't take it because there's gap up and I wouldn't risk it at this point. Okay, I take this. I don't know why it takes my trade with a little bit of delay. It's just so annoying sometimes. All right, I take this trade. We took also this trade on previous trade, and still we are at the support area. We see this huge gap down. I took this as a double trade because if you look at the previous candles, it has a sequence of gap downs. It's very beautiful. Every single startup here was with a gap down. So we can trust this because look how many gap downs we have, and they all worked. So it's a sequence of gap downs, plus we are in a support area. It's creating this double bottom right here. If you look at the lower time frame, you will see double bottom in this chart. That was a winning trade. Nice one. All right, we still we need one more trade. If I just don't mess it up, that would be amazing. I mean, look at this, bro. This is trash. I would never trade this kind of markets. This is beautiful, but I don't see clean common points of rejections. We have some up here, and we have also a QM. Let me just draw. Okay, this is the QM zone. This was also very good. When I was looking at the chart, the price were somewhere here, and I saw this opportunity. I didn't really expect to come down to this order block. This is a fair value gap causing breakout. Okay, so this is a valid FVG, and then this is the order block. Okay, and this would be the trade for us, especially if it's in lower time frame entry, confirmation in lower time frame. But we didn't take it because I wasn't expecting this to come down. This is another huge gap down, man. Let's go. Look at my entry. Look at my entry, man. Come on. This is something with this broker or something, bro. It just enters pretty late. Maybe my connection have issues. Three, 2, 1, and yes, we finally hit the 100k. I hope you enjoyed, man. I'm just gonna stop right here. I'm not gonna take any more trade, and I hope you enjoyed, and peace out. Alright boys, I'm back. It's been a couple of minutes. I'm just here to set the withdrawal request, so I just wanted to share the moment. I forgot to do this after the session, bro. Because I was just super excited. Okay, I'm gonna go with 90k. This is the first time I'm doing this. I don't know if they will accept the request smoothly, or maybe asking for selfies and stuff. But anyways, let's do this. Alright, so yeah, I'm just gonna start with 10k again. The 100k take profit, bro, it was kind of tough in terms of emotions and stuff like that, as it was first time, and 50k was much easier. I've been doing it for a while, but the 100k is just something different, bro. It feels different emotionally, but I will try to adapt myself to the new numbers, and that's what all of us need to do in order to progress. Okay, I'm just gonna stop right here. Hope you enjoyed, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.